Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put songs on queue on Spotify. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open the song that you're playing on full screen. Now go ahead and tap on the queue icon. You can now select the song that you want to play next. To select the song, you can simply tap on it. Once you're done, tap on Add to Queue at the bottom right of your screen. And that's it. This is how you add songs in queue on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.